Alright, just a quick video here to look at how to program PUSHER v3. So down here we've got the USB to serial converter hooked up to the board. I'm applying 4 volts to the battery input just so I can make sure that it goes to sleep properly. You could just use a battery, which is fine. And then the external input is configured as a normally open style input set by the solder jumpers. So I've got that over here with a standard door switch. And we're going to load the PUSHER v3 sample code, which exercises all of the hardware and verifies that everything's working properly. So going down to tools here, we're using the Adafruit Huza ESP8266, and then these are all your settings. We're going to upload it as fast as possible. Select the serial port. In the future, we will talk about loading the firmware OTA over the air, but for this video, we're just going to do it manually with the USB to serial converter. So this is kind of tricky. Right now the board is sleeping. So what we have to do is press these buttons in a very specific order. I use a little Q-tip here that I just cut in half because I can't really get my fingers in there. So what we do is first wake the board up. Then we press and hold the reset button. Let go of the wake button. Press and hold the GPIO 0 button. Then let go of the reset button. And then if you just hold the GPIO 0 button down, you go over to your sketch, hit upload, and sometimes this takes a few tries. And there you go, we had an error there, so we're going to press and hold the GPIO 0 button, press and release the reset button. Okay, and then there you have it. As soon as you see the uploading begin, you can let go of the GPIO 0 button. That does seem to actually help, and now it's completed. So I'm going to launch the serial monitor window, and if we just press the wake button, you see it boots up, and we get the timer wake with the battery voltage output. Note that I'm actually running at sort of a weird baud rate. That's just the default baud rate for the ESP8266 chip. So, and I've got that right here in the sample code. We can also trigger an external wake. So I'm just going to bring the magnet close to the door sensor. And there you have it, external wake. So now we know that the timer wake works and the external wake works, and you can load the actual push bullet code into the board, which we will also talk about in future videos. So that's it.